Once upon a time, in a beautiful and prosperous kingdom, there lived a powerful king named King Rudra. He was brave, he was intelligent, he was respected by his people. But he had one dangerous weakness. He could not control his anger. When King Rudra became angry, his voice thundered like storms, his eyes burned like fire, and his decisions became sharp like swords. Even his closest advisors feared speaking honestly to him. They knew one wrong word could destroy their future. One morning, a young minister entered the royal court. With shaking hands, he said, "Your Majesty, the farmers are struggling this season. We need more time to collect taxes." Before he could finish, the king slammed his fist on the throne. "Excuses," Rudra shouted. "Everyone must pay on time." In anger, he ordered heavy punishments. That single decision ruined hundreds of families. But the king did not see their tears. He only saw his pride. One day, a neighboring kingdom sent a peace proposal. They wanted friendship, they wanted trade, they wanted harmony. But when the messenger spoke, he accidentally made a small mistake in his words. King Rudra misunderstood. His anger exploded. "How dare you insult me?" he roared. Without thinking, he declared war. No discussion, no advice, no patience, just anger. That war lasted 3 years. Thousands lost their lives. The kingdom's wealth was destroyed. And finally, King Rudra lost. After the war, the palace became silent. The golden halls felt empty. The laughter disappeared. The people lost faith. Every night, the king sat alone on his throne, surrounded by luxury, but drowning in regret. Dear friends, anger feels powerful, but it is dangerous. It blinds us. It breaks relationships. It destroys futures. Like King Rudra, you may lose many things because of anger. But remember, it is never too late to change. When you control your anger, you control your life. And when you control your life, you change your destiny.